Hi, I'm Terry Hatlin Stanley, and I am the Director of Sales here at Merrill Manufacturing. Another frequently asked question that we get is on our parts kits for our yard hydrant. If you have a very old hydrant that is prior to, let's say, the year 2000, if the parts kits available now will still work with that hydrant. This is a good answer in a testimony to Merrill's product and how good it is. Let's just, on the AnyFlow, it started in 1949 production on that, and nothing has changed. If you had a 1949 AnyFlow, the parts that we currently offer would still work on that. There are a couple changes that we made on those repair kits, and the only difference is going to be on the plunger itself. Rather than the cup leathers being actual leather that they were back then, they are now made of a stronger material. But the plunger itself is still going to work on your parts kit regardless of the age of the hydrant. The only other thing that we have changed is the shape of the handle. That was in results of farmers saying that their gloved hands had a hard time fitting through the old handle. So if you have a very old AnyFlow, the shape of your handle is going to be just more of a smooth rounded, and it's a little bit smaller space, but this new handle will fit that older head. So the answer is basically on all of our yard hydrants, the same parts kits that we offer now will work on the current models. There is one model I would like to just mention, and that is a G4000. It will say G-4000 on the head of the hydrant. We did discontinue that about 26 years ago. So we did offer parts for a number of years. Now we do have select parts that will work on that hydrant. You're going to know it's that hydrant because the head is going to be held on by set screws rather than screwing on to the standpipe. Unfortunately, other heads are not going to be compatible with that, and no, you cannot thread the standpipe on those. The good thing is most of the calls that I get, people have a G4000, it's still functioning and maybe just needs the plunger, and we do still offer that as we use it in another model. But otherwise, buy any parts kit that matches your hydrant and it's going to work no matter what the year of the hydrant.